Hey guys, so I am doing a second look today with the LA Girl Beauphoria collection because it's just too pretty to not do a second look. So I've already applied quite a few products, and if you want to know what they are, all you have to do is look in the description box. So we're going to start with that beautiful plum blush that is in the palette. So I remember from yesterday that it's pretty pigmented, so I'm just gonna barely tap my brush in there. And we're just gonna do this lightly. This is a very natural color on me. It blends in well with my skin tone. All right, that's good. I personally don't like a lot of blush. All right, next we are going into this gorgeous highlighter that is part of the collection. It's called Dazzle in a Daze. And what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to swirl my brush in there, and then I'm going to take my Milani Make It Last Original Setting Spray, and we're going to just give this a spritz, and we're going to do it that way. Because last time I applied it to my face and then I sprayed my face, and I think this will work out better because this is such a light colored highlighter that it's hard to get it to show up, but it is so pretty. Okay, so I just put some more product on my brush, and then we're going to do this side. Whoa, okay. It's definitely showing up this time. You know what, just to kind of balance it out, I'm going to do a little bit more on the other side. Because what happened was after I did the second spray on the brush, that just intensified everything. Okay, so blush and highlighter is on. And I've already primed my eyes with my MAC Painterly Paint Pot. And I am going to start off with that same shade that I went into the crease with yesterday, because that's the perfect crease shade. And I'm also going to take that down all over the lid because we are going to put something on top, but not what we put on top yesterday. I just had to see what that other color that I was showing you would look like on. I'll show you in a second which one I mean. All right, I'm going to get that outer corner. I just want to make sure this is even. Okay, now I'm going to take a, this is actually a crease brush, but I'm going to take some of the highlight type shade and put that on my brow bone and inner corner. So far we're doing what we did yesterday, right? But here's what we're going to do different. See this shade right here? Oh, also yesterday I used the plum, but today I'm going to go into that shade, and I'm going to use my finger, okay, and put that on the lid, right over that peachy shade. Because to me, this is one of those kind of shadows. And I'm just going to do a second layer. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brush and go into that plum shade. This is very pigmented, by the way, see? So be careful. And we're going to go into the outer part of the crease. And the outer part of the lid. All right, now what I'm going to do is, yesterday we did a pastel eyeliner. This time we're going to do black. This is the NYX Retractable eyeliner in black. And we're going to pop that on the waterline. And I just messed up, so I'm going to have to fix that. My hand slipped as I was applying that, so I just took a Q-tip and got the part that I messed up on. All right, now we are going to take this lip brush. I love using a lip brush to go under the eyes. And let's see. Yeah, let's do that plum. I think the plum and the black would actually go good together. And I'm just smudging a little bit of that under the lash line. Wow, it's a good thing I put my eyeliner on. My eyes started watering like crazy. Okay. Now we are going to use the same lip pencil that we used yesterday, but we're going to use a different one of the lip glosses. This is LA Colors Pinky. And this goes really well with the two pink lip glosses from this collection. So I'm lining and filling in my lips this time. All right, and this time I'm going to use the shade Enchanted, which is the darker of the two pinks. In yesterday's video, I used Wonder, which is the lighter pink. But yeah, let's try the darker one this time. I love that cake batter smell. I love the way the light really picks up on this gloss. Okay. All right, now I picked up a new lash curler yesterday. I don't know how this is going to work out, but my lash curler that I had been using, I had had for so long, and I just feel like it was time for a new one, and I hope this is good. This is the Wet n Wild one. It has a different size and a different shape than every other lash curler I've ever seen, so it should be interesting. Because I already bought another lash curler that I didn't end up liking, so I'm hoping that I will like this one. All right, I can't even feel this. What's going on here? Yeah, I can't even feel this. That doesn't mean that it's not working though. See, the other one that I have that I've been using all this time is Shiseido. And something about the spring mechanism in it, you can actually feel like how much pressure you're putting on your lashes. But I can't feel anything with this. So I won't really know if it's working until I guess I put the mascara on. I mean, I can see my lashes sticking out of the curler, but I just thought this was interesting because the shape and the size of this was so different than every other lash curler I've ever seen. Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect. Mascara. This is more dramatic than the Lottie London that I love. And I feel like it shows up better. All right, so I'm looking at my lashes, trying to determine how much, if any, of a curl is there. I don't know. I can't really tell, to be honest with you. Probably going to have to use that lash curler a bit more to see how it is. I don't know. I'm not sure. I can't tell. I mean, it definitely did something, but it's hard to say. Well, I like it better than the other drugstore type lash curler that I bought a few months ago. Yeah, I think this did work. I don't know. I'm going to play around with it, and next time I'll, try doing it like more times and see. All right, now I'm going to spray because I didn't spray my brush when I used the eyeshadow. I used my finger, and I figured I would try doing this afterwards and see. So let's do the eye part. Quickly grab the fan before any weird water droplets appear. So this is just going to make the eyeshadows all merge together because I layered quite a few on top of each other. And it makes the sparkly one, the shimmery one, shimmer more. So these eyeshadows are so pretty. And as you can tell, you know, I really am drawn to the cool side because that's two looks we've done with that side of the palette. Am I gonna do a look with that side? Probably not, honestly. I just don't like those kind of colors normally. I have been using them a little bit here and there, like I used this type of shade in my Wednesday tutorial I did, but I did that because I knew that's what color they had used on her. But yeah, this is the same type of color. For a quick and easy look, you cannot beat just doing that shade all over. And maybe, you know, smudged, some brown smudged underneath. And that is a pretty shimmery brown though, right there. So maybe I will do that at some point, but I really just wanted to try out this shade today and one of the other glosses. These glosses really pick up the light. They're supposed to be holographic, and I really like them. So that is today's finished look. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.